In the construction machinery industry, some brands imitate us, trying to mislead the market with low-cost and OEM products. But facts speak louder than rumors. More commonly, there is a widespread issue of exaggerated machine weight in the industry, where the actual weight falls far short of claimed figures. In contrast, every Rippa model delivers true weight, even exceeding the standard its model number represents. Structurally, we've long achieved a flexible and efficient zero-tail swing design, while many products on the market still rely on bulky traditional structures that severely limit mobility in confined spaces. All components of Rippa are independently developed and produced, with strict control at every stage, from raw material procurement, stamping, and laser cutting to welding, automated spraying, and final assembly. Unlike most domestic peers who directly purchase parts for assembly, we maintain control over product details and quality from the very source. Our factory features modern production lines with AGVs, Kawasaki welding robots, and smart production systems, achieving efficiency and cost reduction with an annual output exceeding 30,000 units. In contrast, some domestic competitors still rely on manual operations, resulting in lower efficiency and inconsistent quality. Every core component is designed and precisely manufactured, such as our one-piece cast boom and high-precision cylinders, improving strength by 40% and extending service life. Some domestic brands use low-cost purchased parts, failing to ensure these performance standards. Rippa implements extremely strict quality standards covering incoming material checks, warehouse inspections, production line patrols, and final inspections. Every machine must pass multiple stages before entering the market, ensuring reliability and durability. We operate multiple spare parts service centers worldwide, delivering within 3 to 5 days to minimize downtime. Domestic competitors have slower delivery and lack global presence. Rippa agents benefit from global unified pricing and regional protection policies. Products are not auctioned, preventing malicious bidding and price disruption. Customer purchases are secure, and agent rights are maximized. Headquarters provides 24/7 online support. We have a professional customer management team that regularly follows up with users and promptly adjusts based on feedback. Rippa has registered its international trademark in Madrid, defining our global market layout. This ensures our brand, products, and designs are legally protected internationally, safeguarding agents and customers. Most domestic competitors lack global trademark registration, risking international expansion. Rippa holds over 100 patents, including the Hague International Patents. Our full product line is TV certified, a rare achievement among domestic competitors, reflecting our international quality standards. Rippa has adopted a completely new unified visual identity system. With its upgraded appearance and more distinctive color scheme and logo, the brand stands out prominently in the market. For entrepreneurs, Rippa delivers a return on investment that far exceeds expectations. Not only do you save hundreds of thousands of dollars upfront on purchase costs, but its lower failure rate, reduced maintenance needs, and higher operational efficiency ensure continuous above-average returns throughout the machine's entire lifecycle. While international brands typically offer only 1-year or 2,000-hour warranties, Rippa provides a 2-year full machine warranty for ECO models and an industry-leading 3-year full machine warranty for Pro models, lasting 2 to 3 times longer than the industry standard. Same power, dominant configuration. Rippa and Kubota use the same branded engine with consistent power output. However, in functional configuration, key features like hydraulic quick couplers, hydraulic thumbs, and front guards are standard across all Rippa models, while they are mostly non-standard in other brands. For canopy material, Rippa uses lighter and more durable PP material compared to the iron canopies of competitors, reducing weight and preventing corrosion. Steel tracks are standard on select Rippa models, while mostly unavailable or optional elsewhere. Generational lead in smart interaction. Rippa standardizes intelligent large-screen systems across all models, enabling fault diagnosis and data reading, while Kubota offers only digital instruments and Wacker lacks any display. For ISO/SAE switching, Rippa R15 and above models have it as standard, while other brands offer it only on select models. Hydraulic locks/safety valves are standard on Rippa R18 and above, ensuring operational safety, while configurations vary or are unspecified in competitors. Unrivaled global safety technology. Rippa standardizes hydraulic quick coupler locks, cylinder guards, and internal hydraulic lines across all series. Safety features completely absent or only partially available in other brands. The seamless round tube chassis structure provides a 60% better dust resistance than traditional square designs. The optimized zero-tail swing and scientific counterweight design enable Rippa to operate more flexibly and safely in confined spaces. Comprehensive protection beyond expectations, from internal hydraulic lines to the polypropylene canopy, from the suspended seat to standard spotlights across all series. Rippa exceeds international standards in every detail. Meanwhile, these features are either missing entirely or available only as costly options in other brands. Strategic conclusion: the value mode. Rippa's manufacturing facilities in Germany, the United States, and China have achieved localized production and delivery. Choosing Rippa means embracing a more globalized philosophy of quality. It enables you to benefit from localized equipment with robust capabilities forged by German precision and American innovation, without paying a premium for the import label. We have proven that Rippa is never a product of low-dimensional competition. Our confidence stems from the robust capabilities of our fully self-researched and self-produced manufacturing process, from our globally certified international perspective, and above all, from our uncompromising commitment to surpassing top international brands with comprehensively dominant configurations. Rippa is not just an option, it is a belief in absolute advantage. Hardcore strength, defining the new benchmark. Choose Rippa, choose absolute leadership. Hardcore strength, reject mediocrity. Rippa, your visible barrier and absolute market advantage.